Boom shakalaka, what is up guys? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today we have an episode about crypto and taxes. Right? That's the way we all feel about taxes. But guys, before we get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you to everyone mashing on the like button. If you want to find out how to win a free Ledger Nano S, stay tuned. And the last thing, it should be known, no, I'm not a tax professional. I just did a whole bunch of research on the interwebs to find stuff about taxes. And because I'm not a tax professional, I actually contacted crypto tax professionals. And we are having a special crypto tax webinar this Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you want to register for it, go to crypto-love.com/tax. And we'll be talking for hours about crypto taxes, how it affects you. It's mostly for people living in the U.S. 95% of the benefit for people in the U.S. Other people, you may learn something, but it's applicable for people in the U.S. So if you want to, go sign up now. Now let's get started. Why is everybody talking about taxes? Because there has been a change in the U.S. tax code that affects crypto investors, and it stinks. All right? What the change is, basically, the new U.S. tax code amends the 1031 exchange, which is the Litecoin exchanges, excluding all cryptocurrencies from the previous legal loophole, making all crypto trades a taxable event. Ugh! I don't even know how you're supposed to record that stuff. That's what we're going to find out on Sunday. But, guys, that is crazy. Like before, so real estate uses the 1031 exchange. Basically, you make a whole bunch of money in a house, you sell it, you can put that money into the next house, and then keep on doing that. You can do that as much as you want. Until recently, you could do this with cryptocurrencies as well. Not anymore. Not anymore. Now, a big question will be, who's going to be tracking that stuff? Are the exchanges going to be tracking it? Are we supposed to track it? I don't know. This is what we'll be asking the crypto tax expert. But what I did a whole bunch of research online, getting prepared for this thing. And the first thing I gotta say is, guys, just do your damn taxes. You know, tax evasion is illegal. You know, I guess lawyers wanted me to say this and everything like that. So yeah, I'm not a tax expert. Tax evasion's illegal. You'll end up in jail. Now, out of all the articles that I've read, and I've read through a lot of them, all right, this was the best one that I found. It's called The Tax Rules for Crypto in the U.S. Simplified on Cryptocurrency Facts. Okay, so just search that title in Google. You will find it. It was published December 30th and last updated January 12th. So it is recent. It was last updated a couple days ago. But it does a good job of breaking down stuff into simplifying it. And many of you are saying, like, taxes suck, but why are you against taxes? Well, I'm not against all taxes. Like, I love the free public library. I love that if my house is burning down, the fire department will come and put out the fire. I love that, like, the police got my back. However, what I don't like is these fat, bloated politicians driving around in red convertibles and paying for their Capitol Hill prostitutes with my tax dollars. That I don't like, all right? So, get your hands out of my pocket. And on this webinar on Sunday, we're going to find out how to pay the least taxes possible in crypto. So make sure you join us. But let's go through this thing as simple as it gets. And guys, this one really is simple. So go read through it on your own. I'm just going to highlight some fun points because that's what I love to do. Talk here. We banter back and forth, even though you're not saying anything because I'm just talking into my computer. But I pretend. I like to play pretend. All right. So guys, for tax purposes, crypto is generally treated as property. And that's why, until now, it was held in the same respect as real estate. You could do the 1031 exchange. However, trading crypto to fiat, like the dollar, is a taxable event. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Trading crypto to crypto is a taxable event. That sucks. That sucks a big one. That sucks a really big one, all right? Because we all love to trade cryptos. That's how we make money. And that's how we lose money, too. But here's the craziest thing. This is absolute bullshit, okay? So, you're held liable, taxable, for all of your gains. But with your losses, you can only make 3% per year. So let's say you traded cryptos and you made $1 million, all right? However, you also in that trade lost $1 million. So you're at zero, all right? Then what happens to the tax bill? Well, this year you earned $1 million and you only lost $3,000. That's complete bullshit, all right? But that's the tax code, I know. And again, I'm not an expert. I could be wrong with that. That's why we have this thing this Sunday. But from my reading, that is complete bullshit, okay? Now, what other stuff? Using crypto for goods and services is a taxable event. So if you have one of those credit cards like a Centra card or a 10X card or Monaco, any of the other ones, if you spend it, taxable event, right? Buying cryptos with USD is not a taxable event. So you can buy it all you want. Just don't make any money off of it and don't trade it and don't do anything. So just buy. Wallet to wallet transfers are not taxable events. Finally, I can do something with cryptos and not get taxed. All right. I can't really make money on them. I can't trade them, but I can just send them back and forth from wallet to wallet and just not get taxed. That's what I think I'm going to do this year. I'm just going to get a whole bunch of different wallets and just send IOTA back and forth because it doesn't cost anything. And I'll just do that as many times and I'll just be like, suck it, government. So maybe I'll do that. But giving crypto as a gift is not taxable unless the gift is large enough that you owe the gift tax. Oh, gosh. You owe taxes when you sell, trade, or use forked coins. That was a big thing too. So you have Bitcoin, you got your Bcash for free, you got your Bitcoin Gold for free, you get whatever else. When they fork, if you use those forked coins, you got to pay taxes. Mining and using crypto as a business has unique considerations. So for 2017, it isn't clear if you can claim like-kind property exchange. So hopefully we'll find that out on Sunday, what to do about that. And to find out what you owe, you have to tally up your gains and losses in a year and deduct this from the cost basis. That's what accountants are for. If you don't follow the exact fair market value of the time of trade, use cryptocurrencies, your own best estimate. That's the crazy thing. So here's what you're supposed to do. Every time you trade, you're supposed to figure the dollar market value of it and evaluate it there. And then do that for the trade and then the buy and then you sell that. It's really complicated. And the crazy thing is they said that they're doing this to make it easier to pay your taxes on. They didn't mean that. They're doing this to make it easier for them to make a lot more money. Ugh, politicians, bureaucrats. Yeah, you know, my goodness. But moving the wallet between coins is not taxable. That's cool. What else? Ooh, there are loopholes in the new tax bill to let frequency traders use a pass-through to benefit. Essentially, you would create an LLC for your trading. That could be cool. We'll have to find out about that on Sunday. You must make a good faith effort to claim your crypto and pay your taxes no matter which routes you take. Or else. Right? A good faith effort. Try your best, you know? Trying to hide your assets is tax evasion, a federal offense. You go to federal prison where they federally bend you over and, you know. So, yeah. And if you think you might owe taxes over the past year, file addendum. When you file, be consistent. So, like, do your taxes consistently terrible or just hire an accountant or whatever other options. We're going to find that out on Sunday. So that's why I say we're going to find stuff out on Sunday. There's a whole bunch of questions. Reading through this, reading through other stuff, raises a whole bunch of questions like, how do we deal with this? This is a pain in the butt. I just want to trade cryptos and get the government's hand out of my pockets and whatever and pay the least taxes possible. So we're going to figure out how to do that. Do you owe taxes on crypto even if you've never cashed out? You may. Isn't that bullshit? You buy some, you just forget about it. You may owe taxes on it. Why not? You made money. The government prints money, but you made money. Why can't they just have some more of your money? Isn't that bullshit? My goodness. Can't wait for, like, when they just, I don't know, do something about taxes where it's not so ridiculous. But then again, why am I complaining? Because taxes in the U.S. are like, I don't know, 15 to 35%. Other countries is like 50%. I don't even know. France is ridiculous. It's 50, 60%. I don't know why I complain about this stuff. But they get a lot of free stuff too. So, whole bunch more stuff. But basically, guys, there's that article there. And then, if you guys want to find out more, because, like I said, I'm not a tax expert. If I was responsible for doing my taxes, I would probably be there. If I was responsible for doing your taxes, we would both probably be there. We could have like a little crypto love hangout in jail. But, guys, this Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, we are having a crypto tax webinar with crypto tax expert Andrew Perlin, CPA. All right. And we're going to do this live. So any questions you have, you can have them answered. Just go to crypto-love.com/tax. All right. Enter for the webinar there. You can join us. And guys, like I said, we're going to cover a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to try and cover as many questions as I can come up with. And then we're going to open it up to you guys for if you have any specific questions about taxes, what to do, how to handle this, anything. All right. You will be able to ask questions, have them answered live on the webinar. We're going to try to answer as many questions as we can. Okay, could be like 3-hour plus webinar. Who knows, depending upon how many questions you have. So guys, thank you for watching that episode today. If you guys want to find out how to win a free Ledger Nano S, go to crypto-love.com/ledger. And last announcement, guys, if you're looking for some cryptocurrency trading, like training, okay, like how to get started with Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, how to really a beginner's course, an intermediate course, an advanced course on ICOs, or anything else, just go to crypto-love.com/training, and you can check out what we have available there. And lastly, guys, for those of you who made it all the way to the end of this video, I don't know why you'd watch a video on crypto and tax. I mean, that's the last thing I want to think about, but it's something we all have to think about. All of you who made it to the end, you're my favorite. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I will catch you guys later. If you're in Miami this weekend, not this weekend, Thursday and Friday for the North American Bitcoin Conference, come say hi to me. All right? I will see you guys there. I love you very much. All right. Peace.